Oh, he was watching me the whole time. Uh-oh.
Down, Chancellor 414 Whiskey Echo.
Taking pictures, but I wasn't hot dogging. He was watching me.
414 Whiskey Echo.
I wouldn't want to run him over.
Charlie 270 up to 1600. Expect 17.
Kind of valuable to me.
Departure freak 118.
Looking to pick up IFR clear. And Victor. Safety tower information, Victor, 1253 Zulu, wind 350 at 6, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 28, dew point 24, altimeter 3001.
St. Pete Graham, Tampico 501 Papa Charlie is at Clearwater Aviation with information Victor. Ready to taxi, stay in the pattern, full stop, taxi back.
Tampico 511 Papa Charlie, St. Pete Graham, squawk 0115, runway 36 Alpha 5, taxi via Hotel Alpha.
Squawk 0115, taxi to Alpha 5, Hotel Alpha, 501 Papa Charlie. On, fuel on the left, seatbelts fastened, door secured, trim on takeoff, flaps on takeoff, carb heat off, extra full rich, fuel pump on, green, 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 green. That's set. 3001, and we're ready to go. St. Pete Tower, Tampico 501 Papa Charlie at Alpha 5, holding short of 36, ready for takeoff.
Tampico 501 Papa Charlie, St. Pete Tower, make right traffic, runway 36, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, Alpha 5, clear for takeoff, runway 36, 501 Papa Charlie. Okay, everything's good, good. Good, good. Ready. Here goes nothing. Airspeed's alive.
St. Pete Tower, Archer 696 Alpha is
40.
Alpha 5, ready to take off on 36.
50.
696 Alpha, St. Pete Tower, make right traffic, runway 36, Alpha 5, clear for
And
takeoff.
60.
Making right traffic.
Here we go.
Take off, runway 36 at Alpha 5. 696 Alpha.
That was a pretty good takeoff. Alright, and 300 feet. Flaps up. 500 feet. Turn crosswind. And I'll go ahead and turn downwind. We're at 1,000 feet. Increase RPMs. Alright, I'm going to give myself a little extra space. Alright. Instruments look good. Gauges look good. Alright, alright, alright. They're good. Now we just going to wait to be called for base.
Tampico 1 Papa Charlie, turn base, runway 36, clear to land.
Turn base, runway 36, clear to land, 51 Papa Charlie.
Roger, 71 Alpha, turn left Alpha 4, ground point 9.
Alright, so we are
4, ground 1.9.
cleared to land. Turning base. Alright. Got our flaps in. Second notch of flaps. Alright.
Turning base, 36, clear to land.
Good.
696 Alpha.
We're gonna go final notch of flaps. Grease mark on the numbers. Low down to 80. Out at 80. Good approach. Right at 80. Mark on the numbers. Go to idle. And flare up. Hold it. Not too bad, not too good.
Tower, good morning, Leisure 14.
All right.
We're on the visual 36.
Turn left and
Leisure
out
14,
before.
St. Pete Tower, good morning, runway 36, clear to land.
Clear to land 36, 1400.
Next one's going to be a lot better.
Come left Alpha
Promise.
4, ground point 9. Tampico 1 Papa Charlie, contact ground point 9.
Contact ground point 9, Tampico 51 and Papa Charlie. Okay. Okay. I'm going to do one more. This is going to be a good one. Feeling it. Line up and wait. Runway 36, 51 and Papa Charlie. Alright, so we're going to line up. Wait. Everything looks good.
Tampico 1 Papa Charlie, make right traffic, runway 36 Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
Right traffic, clear for takeoff, runway 36, 51 Papa Charlie. Alright, here we go. And we got right traffic.
St. Pete Tower, 851 Papa, we'll show the 36 on 5, ready to go.
Airspeed's alive. 40.
Archer 851 Papa, St. Pete
50.
Tower, traveling up and we'll be in right traffic, westbound approved,
And
runway 36
60.
at Alpha 5, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 36 Alpha 5, left turn out approved.
And we're off. And there's 300 feet, flaps up. And there's 500 feet, we're going to turn crosswind.
Tampico 1 Papa Charlie, runway 36, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 36, 511 Papa Charlie. Alright. On crosswind, we're going to give ourselves a little space for downwind. Alright. Now we're going to turn downwind. There's our 1,000 feet. Alright, here we go, slow into 18. First notch of flaps. Start our descent. Wait till we're about 850 feet and we'll turn base. There we go. Turning base, don't want my RPMs to drop too much. Alright. Second notch of flaps right there. Everything looks good so far. Alright, final notch of flaps. Go down. All right, 80.
Tower 51 Papa, frequency change, sir.
Talk to you later.
That one was better. Still not.
Tampico 1 Papa Charlie, turn left Alpha 4, ground point 9.
left at Alpha 4, ground point 9 or 51 Papa Charlie. Well, clean up real quick. My victory dance. Flaps up. Actually, I'll just do this the way Corey taught me. Dut, dut, dut. Good. Dut, dut, dut. Good. Good. Dut, dut, dut. Up. And good. 2 more minutes. All right. First solo. Yeah. Okay. Now what do I do? St. Pete Grand, Tampico, 511 Papa Charlie at Alpha 4, ready to taxi back to Clearwater Aviation.
Tampico, 501 Papa Charlie, St. Pete Ground taxi to Clearwater Aviation via Alpha.
Taxi via Alpha, 501 Papa Charlie. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to tell them I was on my first solo, but I'll ask Corey about that when I get back. Oh, he was watching me the whole time. Uh-oh.
Chancellor 414 Whiskey Echo, Echo Whiskey, IFR to Fort Lauderdale.
Chancellor 414 Whiskey Echo, Spain.
Glad it wasn't a hot dog, he was watching me.
The radar vectors as filed on departure flight 270, maintain 1,600, expect 17,010 minutes after departure. Frequency is 118.8, squawk 0010.
414 Whiskey Echo,
I wouldn't want to run him over.
Charlie 270 up to 1600, expect 17,000.
Kind of valuable to me.
Mark 118.8, squawk 0010, ready to taxi.
I wonder if he saw my landing.
414 Whiskey Echo.
I guess he'll look on the video. All right. Shut down. Radio master off. Off. Throttle 1200. Throttle cut off. Goes off. I made it.
There you go. There we go.
Yes. Ring the bell. There it is. Oh, first solo. There it is. All right, another one.
Ready? Oh, here we go. First solo.
Oh,
That felt good. Hey. Congratulations, big guy.